Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Chatty Chick. If you're new here, my name is Bobby. I haven't done a review in a while, and I thought I would share with you my nostalgic retro microwave and toaster that I got. Really love them. So let's get to the video. Okay, this is the Nostalgia Electric Tier. It's the retro series. Focus in. Reminds you of the old 50s Chevys vehicles. It is about, let's see, I got the measuring tape here, 18 inches, 19 inches wide. If you're curious about your cabinet space, and about 11 inches tall. The width is about 13 inches. It's got vents on that side. The blue, if I can focus here, kind of has a slight hint of green in it to be with blue cabinets there. I'm getting ready to make pizza rolls for the grandson. You can get one of those plate toppers to protect your microwave so you don't have to clean it as much at the Dollar Tree. $1.25. I'm going to start it, show you how it works here. Now, the preset buttons, you got your knob here to turn. You press it once, and it goes by minute, and then increments of 10. Do these pizza rolls real quick. While those are fixing, we will hop over and look at the toaster. It's the same color. I have mine set to number 2. 3 and over, your toast gets pretty dark. It's got a defrost button. I've not used it yet, and I will show you a little handle on the side. There's the back of it. The cord's pretty long. As you can see, I've got plenty of space, the cord there. It does light up. I don't have anything to show with the cancel button, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I think the toaster was around $40, $49. The microwave is either $159 or $179. I'll put that in the description below. Alright, that's hot. Be careful. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I love you. Alright, I like to wipe it down every time I use it to get the condensation. Alright, turn the knob to the left. We got beverage, beef, chicken, fish, dish. I guess it's dinner plate. Pizza, bread, rice, spud for your potatoes, and veggies. And frozen. So what you do when you want to fix something, use one of the preset settings, which in your book it'll tell you how long they go. You just press the button twice, and it starts. So there you have it. I really like it. They're really pretty. I wish the cabinets, I rent, so I can't change that. But I wish that was all different colors so that things would match up a little bit better in here. But, it is what it is. Anyway, I'll put the link for the microwave and the toaster. I bought those off of QVC, but you can find them online. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I've also, if you look in my videos below, I have a featured channel. I'm getting ready to move my reviews, cooking, cleaning, and craft videos over to a new channel called Bobby G. Go over there and check it out. Please like and subscribe so that way you can get a notification when I start moving the videos and uploading new videos. This channel is going to be inspirational only. I'll still leave my old ones up, but so those that enjoy that kind of stuff, you'll still have it. You want to watch it, but I hope you follow me. Have a great day, and hope you enjoy your summer. And don't forget, Jesus loves you.